It's Steve Maxwell here, and I want to welcome you to my table saw course. I'm going to be covering choosing, adjusting, and safely using a table saw. So you should learn everything you need to know. But first I want to tell you a little bit about myself and my connection to table saws. The first time I used one was back in 1976. Believe it or not, I was in grade 8 shop class, and back then they let grade 8s use table saws, certainly under supervision, and it was all very safe and everything. But 4 years later, I bought my own saw. I was still living with my parents then, young enough to do that. And I used that saw to build furniture for sale for a handful of clients that I got. And I ended up paying my way through university by building furniture with that saw and other tools too. So I took that experience, photographs of what I had built, and I ended up going to work as a cabinet maker in a professional shop, several of them actually. One I liked especially was Whippletree Kitchens, where we made solid wood kitchen cabinets, which is something that almost never happens. I got the chance to use some really great saws in that experience, and then eventually went on to build the shop that I'm in now. This is the cabinet saw that I use all the time for my own work. I also have a couple of portable benchtop saws that I use when I'm working out in the field and renovations and construction and things like that. So I've had a long relationship with table saws, and I really want to share what I know with you. If there's one woodworking machine that you're going to buy, it definitely is the table saw, because it's such a mainstay thing. It's a foundation for so much other kinds of work. So let's get started.